Hi guys, welcome back to the Spice Lab. In case you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare chicken kabsa. Kabsa is a similar dish to biryani, but without yogurt and few other biryani spices. This dish originates from Saudi Arabia, where it is commonly referred as the national dish. The dish is made with rice and meat and is often served in Middle Eastern countries during festive season. Stay around to watch the entire video. Hope you enjoy. So we will start off with 2 cups of washed and soaked rice in water for 20 minutes. Now we will marinate the chicken with a teaspoon of coriander powder, garam masala, red chilli powder, ginger garlic paste and cumin powder. Also, we will be adding 1 whole lime juice. Mix it all well and let it marinate for about an hour. Now we will be bagaring, wherein you need to add 2 bay leaves, 10 green cardamoms, 10 cloves, 10 black peppercorns, 2 medium-sized onions cut in julienne strips, ginger garlic paste, 2 pureed tomatoes, your spices which you added for marination, and 1 medium-sized grated carrot. Now we will start off with adding 4 tablespoons of ghee or butter as you wish. You add in your whole spices. And let it fry well. Now we will add in the onions and we let them fry till they are translucent. You can add a little bit of salt so you can increase the speed of cooking. You will now have to add the ginger garlic paste and fry it well for about 2 minutes on high flame. Now you will need to add the tomato puree. Mix it all together and let it fry for about 5 minutes while it changes a little bit of color. After about 5 minutes, you can add in your spices. And mix it all well together. Now let it fry for about 5 to 7 minutes on a medium flame. Now you can add in your carrots. Mix it well. Once it's mixed well, you can cover the lid and keep it for about 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Now you will add in your black pepper powder. Your chicken stock. You could either use fresh chicken stock or a Maggi soup cube if you wish. I've used 2 cups of chicken stock. Now you can add in your marinated chicken. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. Once it's boiled, you can take in a frying pan, add in 2 tablespoons of ghee and transfer your chicken pieces into the pan so that you can fry it well. If you wish, you may leave a few pieces behind in the rice. Now add in your rice. Add in another 2 cups of water. So 2 cups of rice equals to 4 cups of water. At this point, you can even add in your salt. Check for your taste. Now as you see, the rice is ready. You can just fluff it up with the fork. Cooking the rice would take about 10 minutes on low flame. Your delicious kabsa is ready to be served. You can serve it along with green salad or raita. To top it off, garnish it with sliced almonds and raisins. Isn't it mouth-watering? Hope you enjoyed watching this video. You can find the recipe in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button.